Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Cynergy Bank UK. Review my usage experience. Cynergy Bank UK Review my usage experience offers online banking services for UK residents. Its main purpose is to provide a digital-first banking solution, targeting customers comfortable managing their finances online. Key features likely include account management, online transfers, and potentially debit card access. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Cynergy Bank aims to provide a straightforward and transparent banking experience. They emphasize ease of use and potentially highlight features such as no hidden fees or competitive interest rates. Their website details their specific pricing and account options. Availability is, of course, limited to the UK. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Cynergy Bank. Getting started was a breeze. The online registration process was simple and intuitive, taking me less than 10 minutes to complete. Navigating the interface was also very straightforward. I found transferring money between accounts incredibly easy, and the dashboard clearly displays all my account balances and recent transactions. The speed of transactions was consistently fast, and I haven't experienced any reliability issues during my 2 months of use. I had a quick question about setting up a standing order, and their customer support responded within 24 hours via email. Excellent service. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Everything is clearly labeled and easy to find. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed transaction history, allowing me to easily track my spending. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, although I understand this is something they're working on. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Cynergy Bank. It's a solid online banking option, especially for those who prefer a streamlined, digital experience. That's my overview of Cynergy Bank UK Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.